point of sale fast customer search, user can select customer from the point of sale screen. We can see added search box in a point of sale screen, and we can fast search customer on a point of sale screen by its name, barcode, phone number, and also by its email address. At first, let's open a session by getting into a point of sale. So here, user can see an added search box for a customer in the point of sale product screen. User can search by its customer name and by its barcode, phone number, and also by an email ID. User can search customer by its name. When it clicking on a selected customer, it will automatically set in the point of sale customer. You can see a changes will be made here, and we can also check by using an barcode. So for that, let me get into one of the customer which has already created one. So we can copy this barcode and we can paste it in the same search box. Here you can see that with the same barcode who entered the customer, you can see a customer's list here. So in this way, we can add a fast customer search in the point of sale. Thank you for watching.